Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to short crypto on Binance future trading. Now shorting crypto on Binance futures involve borrowing an asset and selling it with the expectations that its price will decline, allowing you to buy it back at a lower price for a profit. Here's how you can do it. First of all, go and log in into your Binance application. When you're done logging into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you have to go ahead and navigate to the wallet section. As you press the wallet section, then you could go to the future trading and click the confirm button. It's going to take you to this field, which is going to look something like this. Here you just have to go and click on transfer or tap on move funds from the spot wallet to the future wallet. Then you need to go and click on derivatives and then USDT M futures or coin M futures, depending on the type of future you want to trade. Next, you need to select the crypto trading pair you want to short, example BTC or USDT. Then you need to select the desired leverage by clicking on that leverage amount displayed next to the pair trading. On the other field, you have to open a short position, that is, choose your order type, market limit or stop limit, and execute immediately at the current market price. Then set a specific price at which you want to short and set a stop price limit for more control over the trade. Next, you have to go and enter the details and monitor your position. Successfully short the crypto on Binance future trading. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.